You interested in boosting the engagement on your messages? 96%? Easy. Send a video email. Send a video text message. It's going to boost that engagement. It's going to generate more leads, convert the leads, get you more deals. The easiest way to do that is using BombBomb with LionDesk. Let me show you how we set it up. The first option is just to go to the LionDesk Marketplace. It's your one-stop shop for features, service, and integrations for LionDesk. You can find all the API Nation integrations we built for LionDesk here, or you can go straight to apination.com, click on Apps and Syncs. You'll see all the apps we built integrations for, including LionDesk. Let's head on down there. There's LionDesk. And we're going to connect it to BombBomb so that we can send video emails, video text messages to all the contacts we have in LionDesk. So we're going to connect these two, make my life a lot easier. So here's the template, sync LionDesk people to BombBomb people. And connecting apps at API Nation is super easy. All you have to do is connect LionDesk by signing into LionDesk. Same thing with BombBomb. You're just going to click Connect BombBomb. And this is pretty much it. You're ready to launch this thing and send all the contacts you have in LionDesk into BombBomb so you can just send those video messages and text messages with a tap of a button. Let's take a look at the configuration just in case you had a special case in mind. Currently, you're set to send all your contacts from LionDesk. If you maybe wanted to filter out for just contacts who you've tagged as wanting to go to BombBomb. So if you add a tag in LionDesk called BombBomb, and then you can add that tag here, and then this integration will only look for people who you've tagged as BombBomb and send them over to BombBomb. Keep it a little bit cleaner if you have a lot of contacts. Same thing for source. If you only want hot leads, hot contacts or warm contacts sent to BombBomb, or if you only want contacts who are pending, closed, something like that here. So you can just change this. I'm going to change a hotness to I only want hot, and I'll just hit save. Great. Now, anytime a lead in LionDesk is changed to hot or added as hot, it'll get sent over to my BombBomb. And then here in BombBomb, you can just select which list you'd want them on if you have a bunch of lists in BombBomb. I'm going to put this guy on my buyer list. And you can also add them to a drip. And a drip is just it's a drip email campaign, video email campaign that you can build out for each list. I actually don't want them on a drip, so I'm going to just change that to select drip, which is the default setting, because drips are optional. So I actually just want him on a list, and that's about it. The last thing, we can look at mapping. This all looks good. We do this automatically for you. Here's a phone. I'm going to map this to phone just so I have that in there, just in case. That way I can text them in BombBomb. Great. It's all ready to go. And that's all it takes to launch this integration from LionDesk to BombBomb. Hit start. Awesome. So now the integration is up and running. It'll check every 15 minutes to see if anybody has marked as hot. And if they are, it'll send them over to BombBomb. Like I said, you could just leave it so that all the contacts get sent to BombBomb. I'm actually just going to show you what it looks like. So Abel Rain, here we go. He's currently marked as warm. And I'm just going to change his hotness to hot. Great. And because this is what the integration is looking for, Abel Rain will now be added into BombBomb. And I can send him a quick video using the BombBomb app, or I could just go to bombbomb.com. Once we're hopped in BombBomb, we can see Abel's come over here also. We can just do a quick send. It's super easy. Like I said, the easiest way to send video emails. Here we go, quick send. One button and you're off and running. 3, 2, 1. Hey Abel, it's Gabe with API Nation. I just want to send you this quick video, reconnect with you. I'd love to hear what you have planned for this year. Here's my phone number. I hope to talk to you soon. And there you go. Super easy. It gets you in front of them face to face. You can show a little bit of personality. And like I said, 96% higher engagement with these video emails and text messages. You can even add a call to action. So if you had something you wanted him to see, a link to show him, you could add that here in the call to action banner. It's really great. You just hit send and that's off to Abel. You're done. You can move on to your next lead and continue generating that business. So there you go. Connecting LionDesk to BombBomb is the easiest way to follow up with those leads, get you face to face with those clients, and close those deals. If you have any questions or would like any help, give us a call, shoot us an email. We're API Nation, connecting the world's applications. We love doing this stuff.